ponytail like so. Look at that. A 360 wig with the invisible strap so that you can pull it up. No glue in the back needed. And alright, so this is what this style look like out the box. You can pre-curled, it has color, hairline, flawless as usual. This is their 360 invisible strap wig, so it does have the invisible strap in the back. It also has, all you have to do is just slide this on. The hairline, jeez, take the win every single time. This is what the lace look like. One thing I do realize with AshimaryHair is that the way they construct their styles gives you so much versatility. The details that they put in the actual hair gives you the most flexibility on styling. Cap itself fits pretty good. So let's just go ahead and glue it down. The color is really pretty. You guys know we got to have a little bit of color here and there. This one has beautiful brown highlights. Can't go wrong with that. So happy Sunday, by the way. So we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna start off by using the lace glue spray. You can wear this glueless, but I find with the invisible strap wigs, it's best to add something around this hairline before you get started. Now the only thing I wish with the invisible strap is that it had ear area, because I feel like a lot of people can make the mistake and possibly end up cutting the strap. What I'm gonna do is just take the invisible strap and I'm gonna just pull it some. And it has this stopper here. Get it as tight as you want. And then I'm gonna take the lace and kind of push it behind my ear. That's just not with the invisible strap. Any 360 wig I've always had, they never make the ear tab area, ever. So maybe that's something they can change, because it'll make it easier for a beginner specifically to work with it. So I did cut it a little bit, so now it falls. For the most part, the cap feels very comfortable. I'm gonna take my spray and just spray. Now this is a 1 week hold spray. I'm going to be sure to link these products in the description box, so you can check down there if you're looking for anything that I'm using. But look at that. It melts right on down. And that spray is for hold. Then I'm going to go over top of it with the My Sticky Little Secret spray. The small squirts. This will hide the lace. So while that's sit, I want to show you guys what the parting looks like. So the great thing about this wig is it has a deeper part. Just like that. So that's how much parting space you get, how deep it goes before you run into the wefts. So you don't have to wear a middle part, you can do a side part also. I'll let that adhere down for about 15 minutes. The back you do not need to glue down. The invisible strap specifically with the comb can lay flat enough, and I'm gonna show you that as I go through today's video. But you get parting even over here. You can pull this up, what I'm talking about. So you can start here if you want to, and you can take it all the way around. So that's how the hairline look. Mixing those two sprays specifically, it makes it where you don't have to go back and you add both, because usually I would do that separately, but as you can see, it really just works good together. Style it up a bit. Just brush them out like so. So pretty. I really like this color. I'm gonna do a side part. So all I'm doing right now is just playing with it to get the hair to flow. Make it look realistic around that hairline by just brushing it out. Switch up the parting. Do a side part. That looks really good. So that's what it looks like with the side part. Parting, I'm gonna do a low bun. I'm gonna pull this piece out here. Tuck that behind the ear. And in the back, you want to tuck the comb under, and then you can be able to pull the hair where you need it to go. So the 360 wig, you should be able to do versatile styles. That's the convenience about it. I'm gonna take it and put it in a low bun. Let's see, pull this back. Now when you first do this, I can be honest, the back is gonna lift some. It's okay. You wanna get it into that ponytail first and then deal with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and, as you can see, it looks pretty good by itself right there, but I'm gonna stretch this back down, tuck it, smooth the hairs around the neck. Look at that, just then curl this piece. Just like that. There you have one style. I feel like this is really pretty. And in the back, how you can do, you can take it, twist. We can do like a cute curl, low bun in the back. I don't have to stick on these bobby pins for this. I'm just gonna pin this. And the hair quality is, yeah, the hair quality is good. Okay, look at that. How cute is that, y'all? Look at this style. So you pull down the edges if you want to. It does have a little bit of baby hairs in the back. This is the side view. They did that. The way it's constructed makes a difference. You can also just kind of make it into a swoop. Put it behind the ear. Just wrap it around. And then you have all of it into a bun, like so. Very simple. The styles are endless with the 360 wig, as you can see. You guys have seen me do plenty of updos where I wore a half up, half down style, but you never really seen me do like a low bun. Let's see if I can do a top bun right quick. Oh, don't ever drag the bow down the hair like that. That's a no-no. It'll get tangled. Let's pull it up, up, up. But you can do like a cute ponytail, like so. Look at that. That is gorgeous, right? Okay, and then if you want to, you can pull it all the way up like this. Go ahead and put that top bun in there. Okay, I did that the best I could, but I could have pulled that a little tight. You can see for yourself that it's very versatile. And then of course you can take it back to your middle part if you want to. Personally, I don't know. I like the side part, y'all, but I just feel like sometimes on me, with my face shape, I don't feel like it works for me too well. I don't know. The body wave is great for curling the hair. There you have it. A 360 wig with the invisible strap so that you can pull it up. No glue in the back needed. And a pre-style so you don't have to curl it. You can wear it straight out the box. I will be sure to put this wig down below in the description box. Be sure to check down there. Thank you guys so much for joining me back for today's video, and I will see you back in my next video.